Today, I'm going to walk you through how to seamlessly integrate Asana with Salesforce. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to combine the power of Asana task management with Salesforce's customer relationship tools. This integration can have a huge impact on your team's productivity. Imagine being able to track tasks, collaborate, and view project progress, all directly within your Salesforce interface. Let's jump right in so you can set this up with confidence. First things first, we need to install the Asana for Salesforce app. To start, head over to the Salesforce App Exchange and look up the Asana for Salesforce listing. It's a bit like browsing for an app on your phone, except these are designed specifically for Salesforce. Once you locate the listing, click the bright blue Get It Now button. This will launch the installation wizard, which might sound fancy, but it's really there to guide you step by step through installing the app. At this point, Salesforce will prompt you to choose where you'd like to install the application. If you're just testing things out or experimenting, the sandbox environment is safer. It's a separate, non-live copy of your Salesforce. If you're ready for production and confident in your setup, go ahead and choose your production environment. Take a breath and review the terms and conditions. It's important so you know how your data will be handled. If everything looks good, confirm your agreement. Now you'll need to pick your installation options. For most teams, Install for All users is recommended. It makes sure everyone who needs access can use Asana within Salesforce without extra steps later. Click Install, and you'll likely be prompted to approve third-party access. This lets Asana securely connect with Salesforce data, so be sure to confirm those permissions. Don't worry if you see a spinning wheel for a minute. Installations sometimes take a short while, especially on a busy Salesforce instance. Once installed, let's make sure Asana shows up right where your team needs it. In Salesforce, navigate to Setup, and in the Quick Find box, type App Manager or Apps. This helps you find the list of all your Salesforce apps and components quickly, so you're not searching through endless menus. Next, find the page layout for the Salesforce object where you want Asana to appear. For instance, if your salespeople need to see tasks related to opportunities or accounts, choose one of those. Select Edit Page to enter the Lightning App Builder. This part is a little like rearranging furniture in a room. Inside the Lightning App Builder, you can literally drag and drop the Asana Lightning component onto your chosen page layout. Put it somewhere prominent so your team spots it easily. Once placed, click Save to commit your changes. Take a moment to review everything and make sure it looks the way you want. Remember, you can always move things around later for a better fit. The final step is connecting your Asana and Salesforce accounts. Now, when you open a Salesforce record that has the Asana component, you'll see a prompt to log into Asana. Click Log into Asana, enter your credentials, and authorize the connection between the two platforms. What's happening here is your Salesforce organization is getting permission to interact with your Asana workspace, so tasks and data can sync smoothly. Don't stress if you're asked to confirm your account or review permissions. It's all part of keeping your data safe. And that's it. With just a few steps, you've bridged two powerful platforms, making it easier to collaborate and manage work right from Salesforce. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you hit any bumps or have questions. I'm here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more how-to guides and tips to level up your workflow. Thanks for watching.